There's old Maddy working on Black Betty. Show us them new braces. See? I taught you enough. I don't even have to do it anymore. Just supervise. But you get dirty.
Okay, now what do you want?
They're all loose?
Yep. Put them out.
Alright, let me shut this off. Wait, wait.
Oh. What?
What's that snap ring? Pull that snap ring. Oh.
There's your problem.
Yeah, no kidding. Put that on the table. Alright, Maddy. Let's look and see what we got here. I think that's the case that's snapped off. Those little lugs that are down on the inside there.
Oh.
That hold that snap ring down in there. Well, let's get those clutch packs out. Okay, we're going to need a new case. Those lugs that hold the snap ring, yep, that's them, Maddy. They're snapped off. Right here. Okay, well, we know what we need to do.